Hey, Archie S&Q here, about to teach you to S&Q another great meal. This is VOODOO Shrimp. I spent 3 years in New Orleans, and I tell you what, this is one of my favorite dishes. You've got green onions, you've got basil, you've got Roma tomatoes, you've got garlic, you've got sriracha sauce, Lee Perrins, Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, the sweet chili sauce. You've got Southern Comfort. I mean, what else do you need? Outside of butter, of course. Let's get into this video, you guys. We're going to teach you how to do it right now. Hey everybody, it's Chef Archie here at my farm kitchen out here in Discovery Bay. And we're about to cook VOODOO Shrimp. About to show you how we do it here. We're cooking for about 30 some people tomorrow. Marinated my shrimp and my bam spice, of course. Everybody asking about the bam spice, we'll be able to order it soon. We got our shrimp on. We'll let one side get pink. Once you see that side get pink, because the pan's really hot, you're going to want to flip and start adding your other ingredients. And you'll see that happen in just a second. I don't want to overcook my shrimp because we're making a sauce and we're also going to be serving it tomorrow. About where you want them, right there. Start flipping them over. Like that. And this is a Creole dish from New Orleans. I spent 3 years of my life in New Orleans and met some great people. This dish is made with Southern Comfort. Their actual alcohol from Louisiana, from New Orleans. So now I got them flipped over, make me a little hole. Add my bay leaves that I've been using the whole time. Roma tomatoes that I chopped myself. Green onions. You can start to smell that basil. Bring it out. Once you start to smell that basil and garlic, it's time to add a little spunk. Here we go. With Southern Comfort. Get that flame going. While that flame's going, that's cooking that alcohol off. Now we'll add our other ingredients. A little lemon juice, a little Worcestershire sauce, a little bit of this bam sriracha sauce here, then a sweet chili sauce. Our clam and shrimp.
base. And this will all simmer down and marry together. And we'll let this sauce reduce, but we won't cook the shrimp in this sauce the entire time. Because like I said, somebody else is going to warm this up again tomorrow, so we don't want to overcook our shrimp. So now we're at the simmer and wait stage. In about 2 minutes, I will take these shrimp out and toss them in here. Then let this good sauce reduce a little bit more, and we will be done. Take a look at that. That's what that sauce is going to look like when we're done, folks. That's your voodoo shrimp sauce. Beautiful over rice. All you need is just over rice. So we'll take our shrimp and we'll start taking these out. Dropping them in here. The worst thing you can have is overcooked shrimp. For sure. And we want to keep our bay leaves. We'll use those again. Some more shrimp. And take a look at this sauce reducing here. You see how those edges are starting to bubble up? That's taking that sauce down. You gotta watch it though, because you don't want it to get too low. And all we're doing is thickening it up. And then we take our bay leaves, and get them out of the sauce and take it to the side. For the next round. If you look over here, we've got a little bit left. We got a few more shrimp left. Add my butter. Gotta have your butter to your sauce. That's your finisher right there. So we got our butter, we got our shrimp, we got our garlic. Yeah, we got our shrimp, we got our garlic, we got our Roma tomatoes, we got our basil, we got our green onions, and that's pretty much it. Alright, you guys, we'll see you next time. It's voodoo shrimp. Voodoo shrimp. About 30 servings or so. Hey, there you have it. Voodoo shrimp, folks. Like and subscribe to my channel and check out one of my hashtags. It's teach you to S&Q, all letters. S&Q out.